If you need to cancel your Hostinger subscription and get a refund, this video will walk you through the fastest way to stop future billing and then request your refund the right way. This is especially helpful if you no longer need the service, want to avoid another renewal charge, or simply need to manage your account before the next billing cycle. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account using the email and password linked to the plan you want to cancel. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the billing section. From there, go to billing, then subscriptions. This is where all of your active Hostinger plans are listed, including hosting plans, domains, and any other recurring services tied to your account. Now select the plan that you want to cancel. Be careful here, especially if you have more than one product, because you want to make sure you're disabling auto-renew for the correct subscription. After opening the plan, look for the option that says Disable Auto-Renew. Click that option and Hostinger may ask you to confirm your choice. If you see a confirmation message, review it carefully and click Confirm. This step is important because it stops future charges from going through. In other words, you're telling Hostinger not to renew the subscription at the end of the current billing period. That means you won't be charged again unless you manually reactivate the plan later. So even if you're still within an active billing period, disabling auto-renew is the first thing you should do. Once that's done, the next step is to request your refund. To do that, go back into the billing area and open billing, then payment history or invoices. This section shows your recent payments and invoices, so you can find the charge you want to dispute or request a refund for. Look for the most recent payment tied to the subscription you just cancelled. After you find the payment, open it and see whether a refund option is available. If the refund button is visible, click it. Hostinger may ask you to choose a reason for the refund request, so select the option that best matches your situation. Then choose the refund method if prompted. Once everything looks correct, click Submit Request. If you don't see the refund option, that usually means the request may need to be made through support instead of directly from the invoice page. In that case, contact Hostinger support as soon as possible and provide your account details, the payment information, and a short explanation of why you want the refund. The sooner you do it, the better, because refund eligibility can depend on the plan, the payment method, and how long ago the purchase was made. A quick tip here. Before submitting anything, double check that you've cancelled the correct subscription and that your refund request matches the exact payment you want returned. That can save you a lot of back and forth later. Also, if you bought extras like domains or add-ons, those may follow different refund rules, so it's worth reviewing the details carefully. And that's it. You've now learned how to cancel your Hostinger subscription, stop future billing, and request a refund if the option is available. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.